Hello YouTube, Big Ford guy again out here. I'm going to do a walk around of my 70 Cutlass, Figure what the hell, this car hasn't been started in a while, and I'll give you a cold start on it. And first of all, let's start it, then I'll go around it. But there she is, 70 Cutlass. Let's give her a cold start, and we'll go from there. And I'll show you around it. Let me see if I can get this camera in here. I ain't got a tripod, so it's a little hard for me. But there's the motor. It's a 403, 350 punch 403 with 5 heads. She's about a 14-second car, maybe a 13. But she does move. Let's see if I get the camera set. Like I said, I ain't got a tripod right now. My tripod broke. So let's hope this thing don't wiggle when she starts, because she's a very rumbly motor. Let's see if she'll start. Let's see if I can do this, be better. Hold on. There we go. There we go, much better. Okay, let's give this puppy a start. There she is. Still a little cold, but that's the way she rocks and rolls. '70 Cutlass. That's what she looks like. I'll give you a look at the car. We bought the car probably about 5 years ago. Here's what she looks like. How she sounds back here. Hear that boy run. You hear that? So there she is, 70 Cutlass. If we can hear that, but we'll get you down next to her, see what she sounds like. The hood has got it up because they changed the inside on it a little bit. We did change everything digital on it, but we'll show you the inside. She's a mean green machine, I'll tell you that. Hopefully that 68 will turn out like it. Like I said, we got this car about 5 years ago, but there we go. And this is what we did different. The dash. We changed it all digital. The inside ain't too bad. A little modification. Back seat. Headliner. Car ain't supposed to have a center console. We built that. I mean, this thing just dances. You get on this thing, it just dances. But yeah, but that's it. That's just any old Cutlass. I'll give her let me rub it up a little bit for you, see if you can hear it. Try it again. So that's what she sounds like, guys, and that's what she looks like. Car is very clean. Like I said, I did all the body work on it. And there she is. '70 old Cutlass for the 403. There's the motor one more time. I'll give you a shot outside the car. There she is. Alright, this is the Big 4 guy saying like, subscribe, share. See you on my next video.